What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Uyghur Man. Today, I want to discuss about what is allowed in China. As we all know, you do not allow to use the social media, what we use commonly, like Facebook, like Twitter, like Instagram, like YouTube, all banned it in China. And you cannot allow the Google search engine, Gmail as well. But why? Because Chinese Communist Party is a communist regime. They don't allow you to speak freely. For instance, you're not allowed to talk about Uyghur genocide. You're not allowed to talk about Tibet. You're not allowed to talk about what's going on in Mongolia right now. Whatever. As long as anything which is Chinese communists don't want to hear, which is not even allowed you speak. But, so what kind of content in there? If the majority topic, what we're talking, is not allowed, so what is going on in their social media? So what is going on in their social media made me curious. And I found this article today, which is sharing by a bunch of people on the Weibo. Let's see what it is. Actually sounds very, very scary to me. Let's see, what do you feel about it? Let me read it for you guys. It's a guy called Zhao Shengye, and he posted this article in his Weibo account. It has Chinese language and a translation of English. In the past, when we were doing military research, there was always a misconception that the United States should be destroyed only by dropping nuclear bombs on the United States. Okay? They were doing research and only thinking to destroy United States by nuclear weapon. In fact, if you hit hundreds of nuclear bombs to the US, secondary disaster and so on, the world will completely destroyed. In this way, there's no need to drop a nuclear bomb. It is very easy to destroy the world. Here's a 3-cent example. Wow. Now, not just America, you want to destroy the world. Okay. There's 3 different ways. He's thinking about how to this guy think and did research about how to destroy the world. Have you ever think about this? Do you want to destroy the world too? Okay, let's watch. Let's read. First, nuclear submarine loaded with nuclear warheads is detonated in Pacific Ocean. The huge wave can exceed 2,000 meters, which will submerge all areas except the Qinghai Tibet Plateau. Okay, if they bomb the ocean, the whole water gonna cover the world. Okay, the water is gonna go view and it covers the world. Okay. Second, detonating thousands of nuclear bombs in Himalayas at the same time can change the orbit of the Earth, and the Earth will carry all mankind to the boneless dark universe. They want to bomb. The second method is bomb the Himalayas. So whole world gonna get destroyed. Even Earth's exile, the orbit's gonna change. Good, you're a good scientist. Evil scientist. Okay, third, drilling 10,000 meters deep in the Sichuan Basin and implanting thousands of nuclear bombs at the same time will trigger the collapse of the Earth's core and the extinction of human beings all over the world. Good. Such a... Okay, they says they will drill the Sichuan Basin and then put the implant the nuclear bomb inside, then the whole core of the world gonna explode. Damn, the whole world not gonna exist. The earth not gonna exist. That's what the Chinese, some Chinese people on the Chinese Communist Party thinking all the time. Because the real things they cannot think. So anything about justice, anything about positive, anything about freedom, they cannot talk. So that's what they talk. That's how they bring, or that's how they brainwash their own people. And this type of article is allowed in China. You know, this is really, really scary. And if they have money, they definitely do it. I'm trusting. Just like a Chinese virus, right? It's killing almost millions of 1 million people in the world. I mean, only statistic, maybe 2 times or 3 times more than that. And the end is, therefore, if Trump is the banned, so therefore, if Trump is banned on fighting against China, living on living space for yellow and black people, or even intervening in the future war to liberate Taiwan, the ultimate result of Trump's action will be the discrimination of all mankind. Okay, guys, this is all as a whole of this article. That's what he's saying. That's what this guy is saying and posted Chinese social media, and it is allowed. It doesn't have any problem. They're not gonna arrest it. They're not gonna be banned this type of article. Instead, if you talk about anything about justice, anything about Uyghurs, you're gonna get wiped out or taken to the concentration camp. This is China, guys. My job is explore what is Chinese Communist plan. That's what their plan. And they're blaming everything to Donald Trump. Donald Trump just wanted to equal a trade deal from the beginning, and then eventually they turned as an enemy with China because China spreads a bioweapon to the world. 1 million people died on the statistic. Only on the statistic, maybe 2 or 3 times more than that. What I believe is only Wuhan, 1 million people died. That's what the China doing. This type of evil article, evil thought is forming in China, and it's allowed in their internet, but not the free world, but not anything about justice, guys. What do you think? What do you think about China now? How do you feel about this? There's 3 different plans to destroy whole the earth. Pretty smart scientists, evil scientists, work for the evil regime probably. That's how those scientists, Shi Zhenli, Batwoman, made Chinese virus, right? That's why we all stuck in our house and cannot interact with each other. Our social life is finished. Whole summer, whole year, we did nothing interaction with other people. And millions of people dying because of Chinese bioweapon. And now they're planning some shit like this. So what do you think and how do you feel? My conclusion is we need to end Chinese communism as soon as possible. This is what my conclusion, if you ask me, for all human, for all mankind. Okay guys, this is a video for today, and don't forget, click the like button and share our video to your friends and help us grow, help us speak up for justice. Alright guys, see you next time.